How to use voice detection on Yelp. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can use the voice detection on Yelp. So you can use voice detection to type directly in Yelp using the voice in browser extension. And here is how to go about it. The first step is to install the voice in extension. And how do you install it? Go to the top part of the screen, click on the plus icon to open a new tab, and then type out Store, Chrome Web Store extension. This is if you're using Chrome. If you're using any other web browser, just type out the web store for that browser. Then click on the web store. And then once you're on the web store's page, in the search box, type out voice in extension. Okay, because that is what you'll be making use of. After typing out voice in extension, you can see the different kinds being displayed. I would suggest you get the first one. Then you click on it. After clicking on it, on the page, click on add to Chrome, and then click on add extension, and you wait for it to be downloaded and installed. Alright, so once that's been installed, you can see it here being installed already. So we can decide to log in to continue with Facebook or email. Just go ahead and continue with your Google account, and then click on next to set it up. Then you can choose your language if you want. Can allow microphone access so that you can be able to use it, and then click on next. Follow through all of the processes, read through them in order to customize this. And then once you're done, you can now go ahead, go back to your Yelp account, and then you can now make use of the extension there by going to the top part of the screen. Click on your extension, then you click on it, and then you can now begin to use it. As you can see, as I'm speaking, it is writing out what I am speaking on the screen. Alright, just like that. So that is how it works. This is how you can make use of the voice in dictation on Yelp. Very, very simple and direct. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.